Hi y'all, welcome to my yoga library. So no one's more suitable than you to really tailor out a yoga class that works for what it is that your body needs day to day. So the idea of this library is that you are in charge of creating your own yoga class from start to finish. The classes are going to be anywhere between 20 minutes and you could push it right up to 2 hours long. So for 1 year, on Mondays at 7, I'm going to be uploading one new session, and it could vary between 10 to 20 minutes. To make it easier to navigate as well, I've labeled these sessions as either starters, add-ons, or closing. So I recommend always beginning with a starter video, doing as many add-ons as you want, and then finishing with a closing video. Remember, you are the creator. So the entire experience is in your hands. You guys, happy practicing, enjoy. I had a blast creating it.